Are you new to digital marketing and overwhelmed by the number of tools available? You're not alone. The digital landscape is vast, and navigating it without the right tools can be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But fear not, for the right digital marketing tools can help make your journey smoother and more effective. They can automate tasks, provide valuable insights, and ultimately save you time and money. From SEO to social media management, email marketing to analytics and content creation, each aspect of digital marketing has its own set of tools designed to optimize results. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the top tools for beginners that can make your digital marketing efforts more efficient and, yes, even enjoyable. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of digital marketing tools, stick around to discover the top tools that will make your digital marketing journey a breeze. But before we do start, it would help me out a lot to grow this channel if you would subscribe. I would be able to help more people to find success online if you do join. Thanks. And as always, please like and comment below. I appreciate it very much. Starting off our list is a tool for search engine optimization, Google Keyword Planner. This tool is a must-have in your digital marketing arsenal. It's primarily used for keyword research, one of the most critical aspects of SEO. By inputting a word or phrase, Google Keyword Planner provides you with search volume data and keyword suggestions. This data shows how often a keyword is searched, giving you insight into what your target audience is looking for. But it doesn't stop there. The Keyword Suggestions feature provides you with a list of related keywords, helping you to diversify your content and reach a broader audience. By targeting the right keywords, you can save significant time and money. Instead of shooting in the dark, you're now tailoring your content to meet the needs and interests of your audience. With Google Keyword Planner, you can ensure your content is seen by the right audience. Next up is a tool for managing your social media platforms, Hootsuite. It's a real game changer in the world of digital marketing. Imagine being able to manage all your social media accounts from one handy dashboard. That's the power of Hootsuite. Whether you're juggling Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or all of the above, Hootsuite streamlines your workflow by bringing everything together. But it's not just about convenience. Hootsuite boasts features like scheduling posts in advance and tracking engagement across platforms. These features are invaluable for strategizing and optimizing your social media content. Imagine no longer having to jump from platform to platform, manually posting and tracking engagement. With Hootsuite, you can schedule your posts for optimal times, track likes, shares, and comments, and even respond to messages, all from one place. It's a time saver, a money saver, and a sanity saver. Hootsuite is your one-stop shop for all things social media. The third tool on our list is for email marketing, MailChimp. As a powerful tool for creating and sending email campaigns, MailChimp has made its mark in the digital marketing world. One of its standout features is the customizable templates. You can easily design professional-looking emails that resonate with your brand and message, but it's not just about creating campaigns. MailChimp also allows you to track their performance. You can see how many people opened your emails, clicked on links, or even unsubscribed. This information is invaluable in understanding what works and what doesn't in your email marketing strategies. The real game changer, though, is MailChimp's automation feature. Imagine being able to schedule and send emails to the right people at the right time without having to lift a finger. It's a massive time saver and can greatly reduce your marketing costs. In essence, MailChimp takes the guesswork out of email marketing. Our fourth tool is a must-have for any digital marketer, Google Analytics. This robust platform is the key to unlocking the secrets of your website's performance. It allows you to dive deep into the behavior of your site visitors, providing a wealth of information that is vital for effective digital marketing. One of the standout features of Google Analytics is its real-time analytics, which lets you monitor activity on your site as it happens. It's like having a bird's-eye view on your digital landscape, watching every visitor's move. Another invaluable feature is the Audience Demographics Report. This tool gives you a detailed breakdown of who is visiting your site, from their age and gender to their location and interests. By leveraging these insights, you can tailor your marketing efforts to your audience, saving time and money by not shooting in the dark. You're making informed decisions based on solid data. Google Analytics turns data into action. Another great site for analytics is OTracker by OnPassive. With this site, you can try it free before paying. I have more information in the description below. Last but not least, we have a tool for content creation, Canva. Let's dive into how this tool is making waves in the digital marketing world. Canva is a game changer for those looking to design eye-catching graphics for social media, emails, and websites. It brings the power of professional design to your fingertips. Imagine having a tool that offers a drag-and-drop design feature, making it easy to create stunning visuals, even if you're not a seasoned graphic designer. Canva does just that, and it doesn't stop there. Canva offers a wide variety of templates, allowing you to keep your content fresh and engaging. The beauty of Canva lies in its simplicity. It simplifies the design process, saving you precious time and resources. No longer do you need to hire a designer or spend hours trying to perfect a design. Canva allows you to create professional quality visuals in a snap. With Canva, anyone can be a designer. Now that we've covered our top tools, let's do a quick recap. First up, we introduced you to the world of search engine optimization with the Google Keyword Planner. This powerful tool, straight from the Google Suite, is a lifesaver when it comes to identifying trending keywords and understanding how your audience is searching for content. Remember, it's not just about finding the right words to use, but understanding your market's search behavior. With this tool, you're not just guessing. You're making informed decisions that can save you both time and money. Next, we ventured into the realm of social media management with Hootsuite. In this day and age, having a strong social media presence is vital, but managing multiple platforms can be a daunting task. That's where Hootsuite comes in. It allows you to schedule posts, monitor your brand's online reputation, and even track your competition, all from one dashboard. It's a time saver that also gives you valuable insights to make your social media campaigns more effective. From social media, we moved on to email marketing with MailChimp. Despite the rise of other digital marketing platforms, email marketing remains a powerful way to reach your audience directly. MailChimp helps streamline this process with its easy-to-use interface, pre-designed templates, and robust analytics. It's not just about sending emails, it's about creating personalized experiences that resonate with your audience. And with MailChimp, you can do this without breaking the bank. Then we dove into the world of analytics with Google Analytics and OTracker from OnPassive. This tool is a must-have for anyone serious about digital marketing. It provides a wealth of data about your website's performance, from visitor demographics to user behavior. With this information at your fingertips, you can make strategic decisions to improve your site's performance. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, data is king. And Google Analytics is your key to unlocking this treasure trove of information. Lastly, we explored content creation with Canva. This user-friendly platform allows you to create stunning visuals for your digital marketing campaigns. With a library of templates, fonts, and graphics, Canva makes design accessible to everyone, even those without a background in graphic design. It's a time saver and a money saver, giving you the power to create professional-looking content without the need for expensive design software or hiring a graphic designer. Also, you must take a look at OConnect by OnPassive again. It will help you save time and money by improving your communication with your team. A 14-day free trial is available for that tool, and again, you will find more information in the description below. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, and they all have the potential to make your digital marketing journey easier, more efficient, and more effective. But remember, the key is to find what works best for you. These tools are there to help you, but they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. So don't be afraid to experiment, play around with different features, and see which ones fit your needs best. At the end of the day, digital marketing is all about connecting with your audience and delivering value. And with these tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to do just that. So, go forth, explore these platforms, and discover how they can help you streamline your digital marketing efforts. Remember, the right tools can make your digital marketing journey easier, more efficient, and more effective. And again, please go to the description below for the OnPassive tools and some other free digital marketing tools. In addition, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.